the bag.
You're guarding it? Let me I got the turn there. Chompers.
Can you send that to us?
Yeah.
You can send that.
Are we done? Are we done? We're done. Who's this? Trixie?
Pixie.
Pixie.
Uh-huh.
Oh, she's like Pixie. Isn't she so pretty? Okay.
Oh my God, she's so cute. Oh my God.
That was what I wanted. Was that on the back feet?
Oh yeah, little hoppy hop.
Yeah.
Happy hops.
She's adorable.